What's up, YouTube? Look at this shit, huh? We've been getting hammered hard here in Michigan. Look at that fucking shit, dude. It's all fucking fake clouds, man. Spring in front of the storm that's coming. Look at that fucking garbage. Huh? Look at that fucking shit. Huh? Yeah. That was one that they sprayed about an hour ago. It was about an hour ago they sprayed that one right there. Metallic sky. Look at that fucker. That fucker's still going. That plane's over Canada right now. Headed towards you, Canada. Look at that, huh? Yeah. There's so much material falling out of the sky the last 3 or 4 days. You turn your fucking lights on, it looks like it's snowing outside. And I have to say, this month has been the worst. Like all summer, it wasn't really that bad. I mean, there was some spraying. But this month has been horrible. Just heavy bombardment all October so far. Look for the price of cattle to go up. In South Dakota, got 4 foot of snow in what? A few hours? It goes a slight rainbow right here. I don't know if you can see it. I got the camera on standard play. I hate uploading HD videos, they just take too long. And there's a slight little rainbow right there. A little reddish, metallic. I actually seen some flakes on the top of the car here the last few days. I took my lighter, tried to burn it, it wouldn't catch on fire. I don't know if I can get any right here. The car's low. Dewy. Here, look at all this shit right here. Right there, there's one. See it? Try to take your lighter. Try to burn that shit. See if I got my lighter on me. The shit will not burn. It will not burn. Here it is, right there still. That's your aluminum. This is all your aluminum. Look at all that shit. All aluminum. Will not burn. That was just dust, it would burn. Shit will not burn. Just a little experiment. Alright, YouTube.